Hello once again and welcome to my channel. I believe right now, you are trying to use a Chrome extension on your phone but you don't know how to do it. Well, in this video I'll show you how to use Chrome extensions on your smartphone. As a freelancer, you need some things to be done on your phone because you might not always have access to your personal computer. That's exactly what I help you with on this channel, so if that's what you are interested in, join me on this channel today and you will get all that from this channel. Without further ado, let's get started. Go to Google Play Store. Search for Yandex Alpha. Click this one. It's already downloaded on my phone, so I don't need to download it again, but for you, click on Download. After you have downloaded it, open it. Before I show you how to download extensions, these are the list of the Chrome extensions I've downloaded on my smartphone with this method. Now to download your own extension, go to the search bar here and search for any extension you want to download, but make sure you put the word download an extension with your search queries. Now this is the extension I want to download. Click Download. Click on Add Extension. Now the extension is being downloaded. If you need any other extensions, you can also check the here or follow the same process to get it. Now click here to check your download extensions. Now this is the extension we just downloaded. Guys, now you have the knowledge on how to download extensions on your smartphone. If this video really helps you, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more educational videos and freelancing experience.